I'm trying to record this video. I'm trying to teach you something. I'm trying to make this worth your while. Do you notice what keeps showing up there? The word trying. The reality is I'm not trying to record this video. I am recording this video. I'm not trying to teach you something. I am teaching you something. This one little word can keep us from giving ourselves credit for our efforts, for what we do, for how we show up for ourselves each and every day. And that word shows up in life every day. I'm trying to get healthy. I'm trying to go to yoga class. I'm trying to make changes in my life. When we use the word trying, we are in essence taking ourselves out of what we are really wanting to create for ourselves. It basically makes it sound like we're only attempting to do something, but not actually acknowledging what we are doing. I know for me personally, I use it a lot more than I want to admit. I notice that when I use the word trying, it's really me trying to, when I use the word trying, it's really me giving myself an out instead of saying I'm really going to be doing something. When you use the word trying, it's like you're hoping, you're wishing, maybe that's what's going to happen. When you take the word trying out, you're owning it. You are claiming that that is what you are doing. When you say, I'm trying to get healthy, own it. Say, I am getting healthy. And recognize that even just by making that statement, you are becoming healthier. Whenever you notice yourself using the word trying, give yourself the same sentence without the word trying. I'm trying to take care of myself. Change it. I am taking care of myself. I'm trying to have a better routine. Scratch trying. I am building a new routine. Play with it this week and notice how eliminating trying from your language gives you more power and control and strength and affirmation of what you want to create for yourself in your life. This is not about trying this out. This is about doing it. It is a shift in language that can be powerful, and it is intentional, and it can really change how you embrace what you want to create for yourself. I'm Krista Oakes, and this is your Mindful Monday. Have a beautiful day. Namaste.